Oh my god, you guys, Santa came early this year. It's not even Christmas and I got my first PR package. Yes! Thank you so much, Pixi. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet because I waited for you guys because I wanted to share this moment with you. Actually, I'm lying, I opened it a little bit, but I have no idea what's inside. I just see this beautiful bow and the Pixi logo. So I want to invite you guys to come and see what I got. So as you can see, we have this beautiful bow. It's so beautiful. I don't want to open it, but I want to because I want to know what's inside it. So just crack the box. Thank you. Oh my god! Hello, Santa. Whew. Okay. This is so beautiful. I don't want to open it. Game treats. Since 1999. Okay, so the bow is off. Woo! Okay, so this is how you apparently open the box. Oh my god, Tihana's Glow Tonic! I also almost read gin tonic. Well, that would be nice as well. Oh my god, this is so cute! By the way, my name is Tihana. Hi, thank you. This is so beautiful! I heard about their tonic, Glow Tonic, quite a lot. So I got that. I got my cotton pads. And I got, oh my god, this is a message. I'm sorry, I know I may be super enthusiastic, but shit, like this is my first PR package, come on. So it says here, treat your skin to your award-winning Glow Tonic, personalized just for you, lovely XOXO Petra. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Yes! So I cannot wait to try this, guys. Okay, so I definitely heard about this baby. For all skin types, alcohol-free, which is good. Use AM, PM. After cleansing and applying with a cotton pad, avoiding eye area. Oh, it has glycolic acid in it as well. Okay, so I cannot wait to try it. Thank you so much, Pixi. I will make sure to try this today when I take my minimal makeup off. Okay, guys, so I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much for sharing this beautiful experience. Thank you so much to the Pixi team and Petra for sending me this product and yeah, making me happy, I guess. So thank you so much again and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.